Any mention?
May please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. Lordship, let this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
My lord, I have no objection, my lord.
No objection.
I'm for the corporation, my lord, here.
2 weeks on the request of the petition.
Similar player for item 15, my lord.
Which the other side in item 15?
I have no objection.
There also a petitioner.
Yes, Your
15 also same.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm entering appearance for respondent number 2, Lordship,
Where? In which matter?
in item 15.
item 15.
Okay, you do one thing. Miss so and so enters appearance or give the respondent number.
I seek some more time, Lordship, to file a counter for the bank.
Because they have already made
Yes, Lordship.
prayer. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you say enters appearance so and so today and 6 some time to prepare the matter or what?
And the appearance today is.
It's some time to obtain instruction. Proper instruction, that is
Yes,
better.
Lordship.
6 instruction. The learned counsel for the petition also please for adjourning the matter by 2 weeks. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
Would like, Lordship.
Highly honored.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
Other side,
My lord, I'm for the state respondents.
No
The private respondent has never appeared. No objection, my lord.
13 also, 2 weeks.
Similar prayer for item number 8, Lordship. Here also I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner. I have no objections.
It also on the request of the respondent. It will be on the request of the respondent. Respondent number?
2, Lordship.
You are for the state.
I'm for the state, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much play.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, conducting counsel. Ma'am, sharing is on sanctioned leave, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Nampir.
No objections.
When?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Just a minute. A prayer has been made to adjourn the matter on behalf of the state respondents on the ground that MST Yangi Learned AAG is out of station.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel with the petition.
Please, Your Lordship.
Prayer allowed. Disturb it.
My lord, I'm seeking your kind indulgence for item number 10, my lord. Just for 2 weeks, my lord. This is a petition under 482, my lord. Here,
See, Mr. Gautam,
My lord.
this court may not be like that much is strict in taking up these recent matters. Recent
lord.
matters will be court will be a bit lever. Only problem is with the old matters.
this is a very new matter, my lord.
Yes, that is
very,
that
very
is
new
what-
matter.
So that is what item 10.
10, my lord.
Yes, you are for the petition.
I'm for the petition.
And
my
for
lord.
the respondent, Your Lordship.
When do you want it?
2 weeks, my lord. Spring.
10 also on the request of the petition and list of it 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 and 6.
Item number 5 and 6.
5 and 6, Your Lordship.
Yes, what happened?
So actually, they are pending, same subject matter pending before
Judgment is
court
pending
through.
before Honorable Justice. Thank
That
you.
is connected with the matter we came up.
Yes, sir. STV.
Reserve for judgment.
Okay. So when do you want it?
4 weeks. So Your Lordship may have it after 4 weeks. Hopefully, it'll be by then
I will adjourn it for 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes, sir. List its method after 3 weeks on the request of the petition.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, this matter, I pray that the matter may come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
So this is that POXO matter which
POXO
is
matter
pending
with-
for the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes, Mr. Shen. That's
Pending for quite some time.
For-
It was reserved in October. Still pending.
There are a number of cases.
Not
In fact, yesterday also some matter was heard at some time
My lord.
involving the same issue.
Same issue.
The problem for this court is that you see, there are certain things. It may not go exactly by what the coordinate bench say. So in such a case, only option remains that it should be sent before larger bench.
Rajat.
But then, if apex court passes some dispense, that will cover the issue. So that
Lordship.
that's what.
We can wait for some more time, my lord.
Just item 9. Yes, on the request of the parties, this is matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks, Lordship.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship. The arguing counsel, Mr. Puben, is indisposed, Your Lordship. I kindly pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks time.
Objection, Your Lordship.
12 also 2 weeks time on the request. Yes.
What's your pleasure?
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
can this item come at the end of the board, Your Lordship?
That is the board.
Yes, Lordship.
Cavator doesn't know what is included.
Six.
Okay. Just in the capital you first say.
And Sima Million is there.
Mr. P. Nangri, Learned Counsel, appearing for the cavator submits. How many cavators are there?
Only me, Your Lordship. 6 and 7.
No, caveat has been filed by
6 and 7.
only one caveat, or there are two caveat petition?
One caveat.
They are both jointly. They are jointly caveators. Okay. Mr. P. Nangri, Learned Counsel, for the cavator submits. For the Mr. P. Nangri, Learned Counsel submits that the caveators have been read as per number 6 and 7 in the writ petition. Writ petition number so and so give today's writ petition, and have already been supplied with a copy of the petition. The caveat stands discharged by allowing the caveators to oppose the motion.
Your Lordship,
Caveat goes,
Much obliged.
and then in the main case, we are issuing notice.
notice left only for respondent number 5, same of Milliam, Your Lordship. All we have given copies.
That will be recording. Just say we'll just record who is available. Hard Mr. B. Kirim, Learned Counsel, appear the petitioner. Issue notice. Returnable in 3 weeks. Then you say who is appearing for.
Yes.
Is there any branch called legislative wing in district council?
Yes, we have the judiciary there.
Legislative wing.
Oh,
Now that is the word which was used in earlier round of litigation.
it is
It
a.
was either to be decided by the executive committee, or else if it was found that it is to be forwarded to legislative council.
We have a legislature of the.
It is a creation of a statute or
Yes,
the rules. The legislative wing,
Yes, yes.
and it consists of what? The members of the elected members.
No, it is just an assembly, very akin to an assembly. We have a speaker in the assembly. There we have a chairman. There we have a deputy chairman. So they function very simultaneously.
This wing consists of whom? All the elected members. All the members of the district council. Is it equivalent to the house itself, the council itself?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Just like an
There is no difference between a legislative wing and the council.
It's one and the same.
It's one and the same.
Yes. Executive. We have the executive committee. We have the legislature, that is legislative wing, and we have the judiciary.
That we understand. But then once you say a legislative wing,
It's just a.
by saying that, what do you mean?
It's just a nomenclature.
It's a nomenclature whether it is used. This nomenclature is found in some act and rules.
It is.
Or
Not-
by saying, if you say the legislative wing, it would mean the entire house,
It means legislature of the district council.
the council, the entire
Yes.
council.
Yes.
Not like another body like executive committee.
It is not subordinate to the executive committee.
No, there is no question. House is supreme.
It
What
is
the
supreme.
question? Yes. Hard Mr. Spencer, issue notice, returnable in 3 weeks. Ms. Anji Shillal on its senior G appears for respondent number 1. Mr. VGK Kinta, assisted by. Oh, yes.
you know.
One song appears for respondent number 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5.
5 notice is yet to.
Okay. And then who else appears for 6 and 7? I'm appearing for 6. Okay, you are already there. Mr. P. Numbri entered appears for the respondent number 6 and 7. And as such, no formal notice is called for in respect of the said respondents. However, the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 and 7 within 2 days. You take steps within 2 days. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship. Daily costless, item number 1.
My lord, yesterday I did not get any time, my lord, because of the program. And thereafter, my lord, there was a flood outside my chamber in Novel Ashwar. I'm only praying for a...
You see, one thing, Mr.
My lord.
That is all right. We'll give you time. There is no problem in it. But then one thing is that, you see, so far as your contention in the revision is concerned, there is nothing about 204. It is confined to 202.
202, my lord. In fact, Lordship had pointed out on the last occasion, my lord, of course, I could not explain on the last occasion. When I initially filed the case, my lord, I was only on 202 because I did not even get a chance to go through the entire record. After the other matter was heard, my lord, when we went through the record, then we came across that affidavit, my lord. That is what was placed before this court. So I was only on 202 because according to me, on merits and 202, the case either goes or has to be remanded back. But now yesterday, Your Honor, Lordship has put a very important question. Now what happens to the statement? Now if the statement goes, my lord, they will get a chance to record the statement once again, which will give them ample opportunity to improve their case.
That is what? That is a criminal matter.
My lord.
Normally, remand
My lord.
for correcting the statement is a rare.
It will have a bearing, my
Is a
lord.
rare thing. So that is why only you say like compelling situation.
I'll just do some research, my lord. Just give me some small...
See, like this is an interesting point. See, Mr. Shan's contention yesterday was that even if there is a default on the part of the court and then no statement was recorded, these things, he said that would not result in quashing in view of the decisions which relied. It may hardly result in remand. So ultimate result will be same. That is what he is saying.
Absolutely, my lord. But only on that aspect. Yesterday, this case has been quite an enriching experience for all of us.
This court had some reservation in accepting submission because of the thing, the remand of criminal matter for correcting the statement.
Correcting.
Because now we have discussed many things here. So once we remand it, they will correct it.
So many things have come up, my lord. Quite an enriching experience, to be honest, my lord. Just give me a short time, my lord.
No, it's up to you.
Because what Lordship said yesterday, of course, it did not strike me at that point of time. But later on, my lord, I realized what Lordship was trying to say is, if the statement goes, obviously, my lord, that will amount to an improvement. A fresh statement will be recorded. The entire cognizance will be taken on the basis of the plaint as well as the statement. So ample opportunity will be given to the party to correct whatever mistakes they may have made. So it will have a bearing. So I'll just do some research, my lord, if I find something.
Please. This court also will be eager to know all those things. Because these are certain areas.
My lord, they have never been discussed.
Okay, so when shall we have it?
My lord, Mr. Sen wanted to have it on Tuesday. Short, my lord, if otherwise Lordship may give me a week also, my lord.
That is what. Nobody is there for him. Shall we say that he is absent?
No, my lord. I think he's on legs.
Then somebody will do not record he is absent. If it is distinct on the request of the parties, this is matter after a week.
My lord.
That will do?
My lord.
Daily costless, item number 3.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for a short passover, Your Lordship. Lordship, let the matter come out the bottom of the pond.
Bottom of the Lordship? At the end of the board.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, main respondent is not here, Your Lordship. Main respondent, Your Lordship. The bank.
Could not follow. Say loudly.
Main respondent from the banks, they are not present, Your Lordship.
Yes, you are the bank.
No, my lord. Respondent number 4.
Who is bank?
It's the tie, Your Lordship.
Okay. Just say so and so present for the petitioner and also
Respondent
check
number
out her name. You are appearing for respondent
number 4.
Acha, Mr. So and so Miss present for so and so, Miss so and so appears for the respondent number 4. None appears for the respondent number 1, 2, 3.
Yes, Lordship.
Is it correct?
Yes, my lord.
Lordship.
For the answer of justice, this is matter. Or do not say for the answer of justice. Just say list this matter after. When shall we list it?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
This is matter after 2 weeks. These are all old matters. Is it that you are declared defaulter and was it that? Is it the case?
Lordship, the brief is handled by Miss Kitty Cruz, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Item number 14.
Ready, madam?
My lord, Mr. Paul is on his legs. Union and state also
State
is
is a formal party. He is engaged in another call. Then next week.
Next week, my lord, then. No, sir.
He must be engaging in another call.
No. Next week you have many matters then. We'll go next week. We'll be overloaded next week if we say next week.
Really?
14th, 15th. Okay. Okay, so we can say next week. After a week. Okay, after a week. That will be all right.
My lord.
Yes.
His Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Respondent 1 to entry, Your Lordship.
So you came ready to argue the case.
Yes, Your Lordship, Senior Advocate is ready.
Court has already passed the order. But you are, madam, you want to proceed then with such a case, or you are asking for Mr. Paul?
Mr. Paul, my lord.
Then next week it will come up next week.
Obliged.
Nothing more.